Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Science Practical Series. In today's session we will study about the VLOOKUP, that is the vertical lookup. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is a function which is available in many spreadsheet programs such as the Microsoft Excel, and it is used to search for a specified value in the first column of the table of the range. So whatever we have in the first column, the leftmost column, it searches with respect to that particular column. So once that it's found, it returns a corresponding value from the specified column. That we'll see with an example. I've created a database, a small data set. We'll do that. So it is used to retrieve data quickly. So imagine if we have a large data sheet, there are thousands of columns. We want a particular date, we want a particular information about that particular ID. So we can just click that ID and we can get the entire information. So that's what we will be doing in VLOOKUP. Now let us dive into the MS Excel and see how we can do that. So now we are in the MS Excel and I have created a small data set having the 4 columns. One is the ID, player, country and sports. So because we want to do the search VLOOKUP with respect to the ID, so whatever column we have to do the search with respect to, we have to put it on the left side, okay, the leftmost column. So this is ID. So let me first convert this. Before converting, I'll just copy this. I need this. I'll just copy the first row and I will paste it here. Okay, now let us convert this particular table into an official MS Excel format. So we just click on this table, format as table. I just click it here and we get this format. Okay, now we'll just make rows and columns of this. Okay. Now what we want is suppose if we on the rightmost this particular table, if I type 1, okay, so this ID, when I type 1, the player name Khabib should come here, country should Russia, and this sports is martial arts should automatically come here. If I suppose if I type here 2, so if this is 2, then the name of the player should automatically come as Ronaldo, for Portugal, and football should come here. So how to do that? Let us see. So I'll just we'll make use of the, what we say, I'll just color this. Okay. So we'll make the use of VLOOKUP. Let us see how we can do. So I'll just click on this particular box below player. Okay, and we go to the function tab. I'll just click on insert function, and we want the VLOOKUP. It is already there because I had used this before. So if it is not there, then we can type VLOOKUP. Okay, and we get it here. Okay, I'll just click here. Okay, so now we have to insert VLOOKUP. Okay, so what is the lookup value? So we are looking for this ID. Okay, so in the new column which we have created, we have to click here. So this is or the I5. Okay, so as you can see 1, so whatever it is here, it will come here 1. Now where is the table? So we come here and select this particular table, which is our main table. Okay, I'll just select the entire table. So this table comes here. Now next, column index number. So this player, okay, in the main table, this player is in second column. So this ID column is 1, player is second, country is third, and fourth is the sports. So this player I have to select for the player, so I'll just write 2 here. And in case of range lookup, we can either type true or false. So if we type false, it will go for the exact match. Let us type false. Okay, so now we are done. I'll just click OK. So now the name of the player is Khabib is coming because in number 1 Khabib is there. Now suppose if I type 2 here, we get Ronaldo. So in 2 there is Ronaldo, and if we type 6, we get Kohli here. Okay, now let us go for the country. Okay, so let me type 1 here. We can do anyway. So now let us do the same thing for the country so that we get the proper country. We are not getting because we have not set this particular function. So I just click here. Okay, and again VLOOKUP. Okay, now we are looking up for the value of this ID with respect to this ID. So I'll just click here ID, and again the table is again same. We select this entire table, and the column index now is 2. See this first, second, third. So now column is 3. It is in the third column, and of course this is again false. So now we get the name of the country. Okay, so suppose if I type 2 here, we get Ronaldo and Portugal. Now we have to do the same thing for the sports. Okay, so let's go for the sports part. So here again we go for the function. Okay, lookup, select for the lookup, then again lookup, we are looking up for this ID. Okay, and the table array, the same table array we are using, and now the column index is 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth column, so we write it 4, and again here false. Okay, so now we get it as football. So now suppose if I change the ID here, I type 5, so we get De Villiers South Africa and is the country country is South Africa and sports is cricket. So if I type 7, we get Federer, Switzerland and tennis. Okay, so this is how this particular lookup table VLOOKUP works. So if we have a large amount of data, so there are only 8 IDs. Suppose if we have thousands of IDs, and we can easily get the information without scrolling down. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.